Yo, what's poppin', guys? Today I thought I'd try something a bit interesting. So, I make Scratch tutorials, right? Cool, everyone knows that. I thought, how about a person who's very, very familiar with Scratch and makes tutorials on Scratch for people look at one of Scratch's official tutorials and see how good they are from someone who makes tutorials' perspective. I thought that might be interesting. So, no, we will not be doing the video sensing one. You're not seeing what I look like. Nerd. There's videos of me out there. I'm sure there's one on my channel right now. Go look if you really want to know. So let's see. There's already a lot more than when I started. Like a lot more. When I started there was like 5. So, let's see. We have effects, arrow keys, animate a sprite. Let's see if we have one super interesting sounding. I see this how to make a chase game, and that's what I'm interested in. I'm gonna do a video to go along with it. We're not gonna watch the video. We're just gonna go step by step. So, first it says to grab the underwater background. Okay. You have to grab the underwater background. This one right there. Boom. It's not even... Okay. Well, what's next? Next, we have to choose the octopus sprite. Okay. I can do that. We just have to grab ourselves the octopus sprite. Boom, now we have an octopus. What's next, boss man? Okay, we need to add... This is not the good way to make your character move. Guys, if you want a basic movement system that works really well, go watch my video. It's so much better than what they're telling you to do right here, I promise. Change, that's set. Change X by 10. Left arrow, -10. We're gonna have like this super choppy movement then. Yeah, this ugly choppy movement. My system is so much better. You know what? They made Scratch. I'll trust the professionals. Okay, now we gotta add the up arrows. Alright, that makes sense. That makes sense. So we have up arrow. Change Y by 10. That's an X. I'm an idiot. And then down arrow. -10. Now we have this beauty. Oh, you can't even go multiple directions? Oh, that's so weird. I'm so used to be able to do that. With my system, you can hold both arrows and go diagonally. More reason to use my system and not... No. Okay. I'll trust the professionals. Alright. I have to get another sprite and grab the star sprite. Okay. I can do that. Grab the star sprite. Okay, what's next? So, when the green flag is clicked, forever, glide 1 second to random position. Okay, there we go. Now we have... Okay, now we have a star that just kind of... I'm guessing our goal is going to be to get... I mean, we basically covered the whole screen. There's no way this thing is getting away. Yeah. Wait, hold up. Okay, I'm not even going to just stick with it. Oh, you have to hold it for so long before you actually start moving. It's like a charge-up system. It's like... Okay, next. Oh, we're making some variables. Score. Alright, we're making a variable called score. Just gonna smack that up in the corner. Oh, but that's not how that looks. Oh, I can move this. No. We're gonna keep it right here, though. Okay. This is the... Is this in the octopus? This is in the octopus sprite. You can tell because it has that thing right there. So, forever... If... I didn't even put it forever. I'm dumb. Forever if touching... Wait a minute. Where's the... I just had a stroke for a second. If touching star... Change... Score by 1... Play sound wand. Well, you didn't show me how to get wand. You're making me nervous now. You're doing stuff in territory that I'm not used to. Hold on, this is... Okay. Then place sound wand until done. Okay. Alright, I guess that was the tutorial. Let's see what we've created. It's like a jump scare. Didn't even see that coming. This would be more of a... Ah! This should be a dodge game. Ah! It keeps coming for me. It won't go away. Alright, I'm gonna just try to stay away with it. Ah! It's impossible not to touch it. Guys, it's impossible not to... Ah! Ah! Okay, it's impossible not to touch it. That's cool. Why don't we just hide in the corner? Ha, Star's never gonna get me now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Alright, so I guess the goal is just to hit it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it. No, it's a runner. It's a runner. It realized what I was on. It realized what I was trying to do. Come on. Yeah. 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 Okay. And I'm going to show you how to make this infinitely better. Get all of this out. Get all of that out of there. When the green flag clicked. Forever. Also, it keeps you at 10 when you restart. So we're going to want to change that. We're going to want to set score to 0 for sure. Boom. That's a basic. Then you're going to want to, once you're in the forever loop, you're going to want to grab an if. After you want to grab some if else's. And you're going to want to put in here if key up pressed. Change y by 10. I'll do 5 because 10's kind of fast. And then we'll do else if down change y by -5. Actually, we want to be able to move in multiple directions at the same time, so we just want the normal ifs. The normal ifs work. They work. Oh my goodness, grab the if else. This would be down -5. We need to duplicate again. Not that, the whole if statement, but this would be right. And then change x by 5. And then left x -5. Why did he hide? Okay. Now look, we have smooth movement. Look at that. Isn't that so cool how the smooth movement... Now we can stay on this guy forever. Yeah, what are you gonna do? You can't get away. You can't get away. I'm on you. Alright, now what's next? We make it into a horror game. We make it the scariest experience ever. So, how do we do that? Well, that's easy. We make a new sprite, and we just call it jump scare. We just call it jump scare. Now we animate a little jump scare. I'll do it with Skaggs' face. I'll do it with Skaggs' face. Skaggs wouldn't mind. I don't think Skaggs would mind. If I just made a jump scare with his terrifying and unscary face. Because Skaggs is not that scary. He thinks he is. He's really not. He is not scary. He thinks he's scary because he's got those eyes. So I just want to duplicate that. Nah, that's fine actually. So we add his little smile, his giant smile that he has. Then we gotta give him his teeth, of course. He's got these big old teeth. Got them big old teeth. Got them big bones in his mouth, except teeth aren't bones, so he doesn't actually have bones in his mouth. Okay, there we got Skaggs' face. We gotta animate it a little bit. So we'll take his mouth, like make it slightly smaller. And then we'll just take this and fill it in. Oh my goodness. We'll take this. We'll fill it in. There, now his mouth like it's kind of smaller. So now I'm just going to take it again. Just squish it down some more. Alright. Alright. And then we just take this, put it there, and I'll go back to that. So, when this is clicked, forever, next costume, but before that put a 0.01 so there's a little bit of animation lag. Then how about with this octopus, you don't change the score anymore. The score is just an illusion to make you feel not scared. Instead, it broadcasts jump scare. Just like that. And then we'll have it just hide the octopus. Hide the octopus. Hides the star. And all that's left is Skaggs' beautiful face. Jump scare. Show. Go to front. Go to 0, 0. There's a car outside. Okay. Now we have to make a jump scare noise. How do you make a jump scare noise? I'll show you. Anyone who wants to make a jump scare noise, I'll show you how to do it right now. It's really easy. Just go in here and record a new sound. And all you have to do is like make a noise. Just like watch this, ready? There it is. Doesn't sound very scary, does it? Well, it's easy. Go robot. Then reverse. Then just make it faster. Like that. Some more robot. Reverse it. More robot. There's your jump scare. How do you like it? And then it plays sound recording 1 or jump scare until done. And then stops all. Well, if you really want to make it scary, you want to know what's scary? Loud is scary. That'll be for sure to make them poop everywhere. Don't forget to set their volume to 100 so it really blows them out. They'll love it. Alright. Are we all ready? I don't know why I put that there. I literally have no idea what I was doing. I think we're ready for our thing. And instead of this, let's make it a little bit able to dodge. So forever, move 10. Not move 10. Let's do like a move 3. So we're able to dodge it. We're 2 steps faster than it at all times. And then we'll do if the basic touching. Oh my goodness, why am I in there? It's incensing. If touching edge. Well, no, I think that's just a thing, isn't it? Yeah, if on edge bounce. Okay, let's see. Well, actually, hold up. I'm pretty sure you don't hide Skaggs, dude. Yeah, Skaggs doesn't hide. Okay. If we really want to make it spooky, we can add, like, the shade effect. And shade's really easy to make. Watch this. You just take black, and then you color the screen in, just like that. And then you go, when the green flag clicked, it goes to 0, 0. It shows. It goes to front. And it sets the ghost effect 50. Horrifying. It's horrifying. What else do we need to have it do? Oh yeah, we need to have it disappear when it jump scares. One more thing with the star. Probably when it does that, each time you start the game, it like turns it in a direction a little bit. Alright, there we go. We now have the scariest game in existence. Are you ready for this? Watch this. I'm gonna turn my volume up all the way. Oh, it is up all the way. Alright, cool. Should I turn your guys? I'm turning your guys' volume up all the way. I'm sorry for this. You turn your volume down. when you see the jump scare coming. Your volume's all the way up now. You will experience the loudest I can possibly make it for you without editing. Okay. We gotta stay away from that thing. We have a very large hitbox, and I don't want to be touching that. I don't want to be touching that. So like, ah. Oh God, here it comes. Oh. Oh, I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, I'm nervous. Guys, I'm nervous. This is gonna hurt so bad. This is gonna hurt so bad. My volume's up all the way. Your volume's up all the way. If you want to be real baller, put some headphones in and turn your device's volume up all the way. And just get ready for this. We'll experience it together. You see my volume was up all the way. Here, I'll even show you again. Volume. Up all the way. That was probably really loud for you. I just realized. I'm sorry for that. Alright, guys. We're dodging really good. We're dodging really good. Oh. Okay. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, I think it's about time we test it and see if it works. So we'll sit in the middle. We'll sit in the middle and wait. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Oh, God, here we go. Okay. And then, look, you just stuck a little Skaggs jump scare face. Well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because you should go play the game. It's really cool. You just watch me make it. While you're at it, why not subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content? That helped me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Join Discord in the description.